Jagoe has built beautiful homes for over 80 years, and you can see why we continue to earn prestigious national and regional awards for craftsmanship, quality, and design. Welcome to Magnolia Hills, an exciting new community in Bowling Green, Kentucky. This energy-smart two-story home offers a unique open floor plan with 4 large bedrooms, 2 1/2 baths, a 3-car garage, and over 2,500 square feet of luxury living. And with a home office and upstairs bonus room, you'll have all the space you need for comfortable family entertaining and enjoyment. The covered front porch welcomes you inside, where you'll find the home office with wainscoting details, as well as a convenient storage closet. The open floor plan, ample windows, and 9-foot ceilings in the main living area fill the home with natural light. You'll love the gourmet kitchen, featuring quartz countertops, single-bowl sink, Aristocraft 42-inch wall cabinets with crown molding and under-cabinet lighting, a walk-in pantry, and large island. The GE Slate appliance package includes a self-cleaning range, microwave, dishwasher, and French door refrigerator. Just off the dining area, the covered rear porch makes a perfect open-air retreat. The spacious family room features a deluxe rear vent fireplace with shiplap accents and a V-niche. Upstairs, the owner's suite is a huge bedroom with sunlit triple windows and a private bath that includes a double-bowl vanity, subway tile shower, and large walk-in closet. On the second floor, you will also find 3 secondary bedrooms, each with walk-in closets. You'll love the convenience of a second full bath and a bonus room that could be used as a media center, playroom, or homework area. Completing the second floor, the large laundry room offers an ultra-efficient GE washer and dryer. The home features engineered hardwood flooring throughout the first floor, with the upstairs covered in luxurious mohawk carpet. The high-efficiency air conditioning, gas furnace, and programmable thermostat will save you thousands on utility costs in the coming years. The classic exterior is a combination of brick and vinyl siding, highlighted with architectural accents. A fully sodded yard, deluxe landscape package, and irrigation system enhance the home's natural appeal. In every detail, inside and out, a Jagoe home represents construction excellence, delivers unprecedented value, and is backed by 7 decades of integrity and trusted, friendly customer service. Jagoe also provides each home with a 210 home buyer's warranty, offering 10 years of structural protection. Featuring an award-winning design and plenty of space for your family and friends, this amazing new energy-smart home offers over 2,500 square feet of modern luxury living. Talk to a Jagoe consultant today because, best of all, with Jagoe, this luxury is affordable. Jagoe, where life happens.